What's going on, everybody? In this box is something really exciting. Let's get to it right now. So, I've been struggling with thinking about getting this for a few months. I thought, am I going to use it? Do I really need it? You know, like, is it really going to improve my videos that much? And honestly, yeah. Yeah, I think it will. Excited about this is because up until now you see me do a ton of talking head videos, which is great. I love to be informative, but I thought I want to bring a little bit more cinematic production to the videos. So I got the Joby Gorilla Pod. I've been doing some handheld filming of that nature. In the works right now is a video about the day in the life of a graphic designer, so that'll be coming out soon. That's a ton of Joby Gorilla footage, just filming around the office, my day, what I do, how I film the YouTube videos, what I do at my normal job, etc., and just helping people understand what it really is like to be a graphic designer. And so this just adds to the fun of that. Also, my wife and I are going to be taking some trips this summer, and we want to get some really sick footage of the places we're going. So all these things are adding up to me getting this DJI Mavic Air. I hope you can actually see it, because it probably can see like my face. But anyway, that is the reason I've got this. It was a big decision, quite a big investment for me, being that I don't have any direct commercial use for it right now. It's simply for the enjoyment of the channel and to just push myself as a creator, get better and better. And that's really probably the biggest lesson I have right now, and kind of the rant, so to speak, is that people need to be pushing themselves. So say, you don't want to get started on YouTube because maybe you're not good at making videos. The only way you get better is by making videos. You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. I love that quote. Don't know where it originated from, but it's fantastic. That's exactly what it takes. It takes making yourself do something so that you can get better. That light would help too. So it's things like that. Like, why don't I have the light on? I don't know. But there's just little things like that that improve your videos, that make you one step above from the video previously. So get 1% better every day, and in the year, that's exponential and be like 2,000% better. So that's the reason I got the DJI Mavic Air. Gonna be doing a bunch of different test shoots. Apparently has really good tracking, so I'm gonna track myself on my bike, in the car, whatever. Hopefully on a boat, but I just hope that it doesn't go splash. So we're gonna have some fun with it, and I hope to bring out some videos to y'all very soon with that. But for now, I just wanna do the little unboxing, show you what's coming on the channel. I'm Benji Kaiser, BenjiKaiser.com. If you've yet to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, mash down on that like button to make sure you give this video some props, and we will see you in the sky.